OpenAI is secretly building an office killer to take on Microsoft and Google. Tesla's self-driving RoboTaxis are now cruising Austin streets with no one behind the wheel. And you can now create AI videos on Twitter just by tagging Perplexity. The AI revolution just went into overdrive. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some absolutely game-changing tech news that just dropped. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's jump right in. First up, and this is huge, OpenAI has been quietly developing a full productivity suite that's designed to go head-to-head with Microsoft Office and Google Workspace. Yeah, you heard that right. The company that brought us ChatGPT is now coming for the entire Office software market. According to the information, OpenAI's new platform includes collaborative document editing, integrated chat capabilities, and something called Canvas, all built directly into ChatGPT. But here's where it gets really interesting. This is AI-native software. Unlike Microsoft and Google, who are retrofitting AI into decades-old software, OpenAI is building everything from scratch with AI as the foundation. Think about it. Contextual intelligence that draws on your organization's data, unified workflows that seamlessly blend text, voice, and visual inputs, and automated task management. No legacy code, no backwards compatibility issues, just pure, modern, AI-powered productivity. And here's the kicker. This puts OpenAI in direct competition with Microsoft, who owns a 49% stake in OpenAI. Talk about biting the hand that feeds you. The timing is especially sensitive as both companies are currently negotiating a restructuring of their partnership. Drama in Silicon Valley, folks. Speaking of drama, let's talk about what just happened in Austin, Texas. On June 22nd, Tesla finally launched its RoboTaxi service with actual self-driving cars. No safety driver, no steering wheel control, just pure autonomous driving. The launch started small with about a dozen Model Y vehicles operating in a geo-fenced area of Austin. Riders are paying a flat fee of $420, classic Elon, and the early testers are reporting 0 issues after multiple rides. One passenger even did 11 rides without a single problem. Now, this isn't Tesla's futuristic cybercab. These are regular Model Ys running the latest full self-driving software. But here's what makes this special. Tesla has safety monitors in the passenger seat who can't actually control the car, remote teleoperators watching from command centers, and they're avoiding bad weather for now. The stock market loved it. Tesla shares jumped 8% on the news. Analysts are calling this the beginning of the golden era of autonomous driving for Tesla, with some predicting it could push Tesla's market cap to over $2 trillion by next year. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. Some Texas lawmakers wanted Tesla to delay until new self-driving laws take effect in September, and safety advocates are raising concerns. But Elon being Elon, he pushed forward anyway. Now this next one is absolutely wild. Perplexity AI just launched a feature that lets you generate AI videos directly on X, formerly Twitter, just by tagging r/askperplexity. Here's how it works. You write a post describing the video you want, tag r/askperplexity, and within minutes, the bot creates and shares an 8-second video clip complete with synchronized visuals, narration, and even simple dialogue. It's powered by Google's Veo 3 technology, which brings us out of what they're calling the silent era of AI video generation. The response has been absolutely insane. Users are flooding X with creative, funny, and sometimes bizarre video requests. Perplexity has built-in content moderation to reject prompts involving celebrities, politicians, or explicit content, but the creative possibilities are endless. This is huge because it makes AI video creation accessible to literally anyone with a social media account. No expensive software, no technical knowledge, just tag and create. Google is not sitting idle either. They just dropped 3 major AI announcements. First, Gemini CLI, an open-source command line tool that brings Gemini AI models directly to your terminal. Developers can now ask it to explain code, write new features, debug problems, or even create videos with Veo 3, all from the command line. They're offering 60 requests per minute for free users, which is double what most developers actually use. Second, AlphaGenome from DeepMind. This is potentially revolutionary for medical research. It's an AI that predicts how changes in DNA affect molecular processes. Scientists are calling it the most powerful tool to date for modeling genetic differences. This could help diagnose rare genetic diseases and understand cancer mutations. Remember, DeepMind is the team that won a Nobel Prize for AlphaFold. Third, Imagen 4 is now in the Gemini API at just 0.04 per image, or 0.06 for the Ultra model. That's incredibly affordable for high-quality AI image generation. Let me hit you with some rapid-fire updates. Andy Konwinski, co-founder of Databricks, just launched the Laude Institute with $100 million of his own money for AI project grants. WhatsApp is rolling out AI-powered summaries of unread messages using Meta AI. No more FOMO. Bumble is laying off 30% of its workforce, that's 240 people, to save $40 million annually. Dating apps are struggling. Intel is shutting down its entire automotive business unit. The chip giant continues to restructure. ChatGPT had an absolutely insane month. 29 million iOS downloads in just 28 days. That's nearly as much as TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram combined. Microsoft just debuted an on-device AI that can control Windows system settings. Your computer is getting a brain. Manus launched an agentic browser that saves login states across AI agent sessions. Huge for automation. Okay, let's zoom out for a second. What we're seeing here is a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology. OpenAI building office competitors means AI isn't just an add-on anymore. It's becoming the foundation of our productivity tools. Tesla's RoboTaxis mean autonomous vehicles are no longer science fiction. They're picking up passengers right now. And Perplexity's X integration shows that AI creation tools are becoming as easy to use as posting a tweet. We're watching the future unfold in real time, and the pace is only accelerating. Companies that don't adapt will be left behind, and those that embrace these changes will define the next decade of technology. But wait, before we wrap up, I've got one more exciting announcement. Today on Product Hunt, there's a game-changing tool that just launched, 20 CRM, and it's making waves. 20 is positioning itself as the #1 open-source CRM and a modern alternative to Salesforce. Now, why should you care? Here's the deal. The founders, Thomas, Felix, and Charles, all had the same problem at their previous startups. They each had to build their own in-house CRM from scratch because nothing out there was customizable enough. And Salesforce? Sure, it's powerful, but it comes with astronomical prices, vendor lock-in, and you have to learn their proprietary Apex language. No thanks. 20 is completely different. It's open source, meaning full transparency and total control. Fully customizable, bend it to your will, not the other way around. Affordable, no hidden costs or surprise enterprise pricing. Community-powered, real developers solving real problems. You own your stack, your data, and your roadmap. No black boxes, no corporate overlords deciding what features you get. If you're a builder, a tinkerer, or just tired of being boxed in by traditional CRMs, this could be a game changer for your business. They're live on Product Hunt right now, so if you want to support open source innovation and maybe revolutionize how you handle customer relationships, go check them out. That's all for today's Tech News Roundup. Which story surprised you the most? Are you excited about OpenAI taking on Microsoft? Or maybe you're ready to hop in a Tesla RoboTaxi? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech news updates, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. I'll be back next week with more game-changing tech news. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and keep riding the wave of innovation.